Hey guys, just wanted to let you know I'm doing a review here on the Teraflex 0 to 2 inch quick disconnect anti-sway bar quick disconnects for the Wrangler Model TJ. The next upgrade, this is going to be quick disconnect anti-sway bars. As you can see, I pulled them out, so right now they are disconnected. These are the old ones. I've lifted the vehicle 2 inches, so these are pretty much maxed out when they're on. This will allow the anti-sway bar to drop down lower because it's for 0 to 2 inches, so that'll get the anti-sway bar in the right place. The only thing is these are disconnects, and all it came with was this, a Zerk fitting for that, and this is supposed to slide in and out of whatever it's supposed to mount here. See that? So it's missing a piece. These are the old sway bars, which you can see weren't quick disconnect, and there's really no way of removing that. This is what I was missing. This is the hardware pack for those quick disconnects. These are part of that. Those quick disconnects. So I just removed the OEM anti-sway bar. This is going to be the replacement. As you can see, it's longer, which is good. This will work up to 2 inches of lift, which I have. So let's see what we got. These are the main parts that I've been waiting on. They basically go into that like that. Bolt mounted in, and then the disconnects slide on just like that. So this is the Teraflex 0 to 2 inch TJ anti-sway bar quick disconnects, and the way they work is obviously right here, this is out of the way, but when you're on the road, you're going to have this down, and it slides right onto that piece there. Alright, so it's just slid right into place like that. I already greased the fittings. You're going to put on your fender washer without it falling. You're going to put on your fender washer. You know, so far putting that fender washer on is the hardest part of the install. And then you grab your cotter pin, and I like to have mine sticking out on the top of it, just my preference. So we're gonna put it on there, and they really made this nice. So you slide it with one hand, just like that, and you're connected. So that is just an easy, really neat upgrade that you're going to definitely use. Well, if you're in my area, take it to the Outer Banks, you pop those off, and you enjoy the dunes and the beach. Beautiful. Easy to change out. Done and done.